I'm going to go over some anti-slip protective gloves. These are impact resistant, sweat absorbent, breathable, quick drying, and wear resistant. These are the type of gloves that you need, you know, if you're doing things that might be a little rough. And let's just check out and see what all you get in the package here. I've been needing a set of gloves like this for a while. Actually, the back, oh, look at this. Kind of goes over some of the, well, every language you can think of. I think that's Russian, and that looks Spanish. Our gloves using synthetic upper fibers, comfort, breathable. You know what? Yeah, whatever. Comes just like this little package. Wow, these things look cool. Look at that. They've got protective on the thumbs and over the knuckles there. Velcroed along this way. Let me put one on here. That Velcro is tough, y'all. Look at, oh my God, that's some of the toughest Velcro. That's some tough Velcro. And I've got mine in large, and I usually wear a large, extra large. Actually, these fit pretty true to size. Look at that. And then I like how you can really cinch it down right there, and that Velcro is tough. Wow, so now this gives me the ability to still use my fingers, but look at the outside of the hand has this very hard, kind of like coated. It looks like it's somewhat of a rubber padding around where the wrist is right there. It's padding, and along the edge of the thumb. There is grip on the inside here, and you get a couple little pull tabs for taking them off. This is something I think anyone should use that's doing anything, whether it's paintballing or maybe working on a house or something, anything where you just want to kind of protect your knuckles where you're going to impact them. Mountain biking, I think it'd be great too. Look at that. I could hold my hands right there. If I wipe out in mountain biking, my knuckles will be protected there. And then let's put the other one on here. Then you just wrap them around. So you get a little pull tab there for pulling them on, and a couple little pull tabs right there. Wow, they kind of feel like UFC gloves. Man, I'd hate to be decked with a pair of these. That feels great. These things, look, there's actually no kind of restrictions in the grip of the hands. Very nice on these things. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the anti-slip protective knuckles. Actually, protective gloves. See y'all in the next video.